We'll full screen it now. So I did a bunch of stuff and recorded it, and since I don't know how any of this works, I ended up deleting all of it on accident because I'm a dummy dumb. But I'll try to catch up everybody what happened. So it should make sense that on the last episode I was in the Nether. Well, I played about 5 minutes and I died and lost all my stuff in the lava. So I was like, screw it, I'm just gonna go adventuring to look for that village that I've been trying to look for a while. And in about also 5 minutes, I found the village, and I like went back and forth. Oh yeah, it's screen recording when the. Oh yeah. I also found this stuff. Well, some of this I already had, like the helmet and the boots and everything. But I got the leather armor from the village, and I enchanted it all. Anyway, so I was using the village for stuff. Like I got 36 emeralds now. Um. Oh, you know what I should do? I should tame a horse. That's what'll be my next objective. Because I'll need that for fast travel, certain places and whatnot. Come on. Give it a minute. This'll this probably won't be very long. I'm just gonna do this as an audio test to make sure the audio works. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna tame a horse for the audio test, and that'll be today's thing. Okay, I'll just tame a horse. If I do anything else, creeper. Aw man. Oh shoot, there's another one. Oh, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. What is this? Anyway, I know there's horses over here, so. Yeah, there's one. Hopefully it's a good one. There's a cave over there or something. Oh, there's a beehive over here too. That'll come in handy, honestly. Keep me on. Keep me on. Oh, you suck. Where'd you go? Come on. Love me. Did we get it? We got it. Oh man. Ooh, that's pretty. That's low-key pretty fast. What are the jump? Oh, the jump sucks. Look at this jump. Anyway, the speed though makes up for it. So we will. Oh wait, where'd that creeper go? I don't want to die from the creeper. If it's 2 blocks, I want 2 blocks because I want to be able to keep it in a hole. No, it's not. Here, I'm gonna tame another one. I'm sorry. Oh, wait, here. I'll do it. I'll at least take you back over where I found you. Because I'm sorry. I just want to be able to keep you in a hole. So we'll tame this other one over here instead. I'm sorry, Mr. Horse. Give it a second. Come on, come on, come on. Do it first try. First try. First try. First try. Nope. Come on. Come on. Oh, I got him. I got him. Okay. What's your jump? Oh, yeah, that's a jump. Alright, let's go. Oh, that's an arrow. I need arrows. I need arrows. Here, give me that. And it's fast. I got the best of both worlds over here. That was a good horse. Alright, so I'll build a hole for you. Oh, I also made an anvil next time. Or next time. No, last time. So there we go. That works pretty well, not gonna lie. Okay. I need sugar cane because part of this thing that I was doing was making bookshelves, and did not have enough paper. Let me see how much I need. Oh, I also tamed some cows. There were some cows over by the village, so I tamed them too. So that'll help out in long haul. There, yeah, okay, so I already have paper. Was there any more sugar cane? Okay, so I'll do that there. There we go. That's 3 more books. So what is that going to make 11 books? And I have 18 here. So we're getting there. We're getting there. So I can make 6 bookshelves. If I can get Fortune 1 on here, I'll be happy. I'll be good enough to go strip mining. I would prefer 3, but let's put it over here. No, it's all just efficiency. Alright. Here, I'll make an axe, and I'll just clear out that whole grove. Oh, I already have one. Let me just use this one. I'm kind of just waiting for time here, because I gotta wait for the sugarcane to grow, and I gotta wait for the cows over by the village. Oh, I said I was gonna just tame the horse, didn't I? See, I always get caught up in this. I say I'm gonna do something. That's what I did last episode. I was like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna find that village or whatever after I died, and then I ended up doing a lot more. And then I lose all the footage, and none of it really matters, and it's stupid. But it'll be fine. This time I won't. This time the footage is right there, and I can just clip it, and I can make the thumbnail pretty fast. I also talked a lot too last episode about what was going on, and then I didn't get to save any of that either. So this is kind of stupid. But that's fine. That's fine. That's cool. It's not like I care. At the end of the day, I'm just gonna beat the Ender Dragon for proof of authenticity. Not auticity. That doesn't make any sense. That's like Drake. Drake has auticity. But yeah. Audio check, by the way. Audio. I'm just gonna say audio because I'll look through this after I'm done and make sure that the audio did actually work. Crap, because I didn't click. I don't think I clicked that. My audio might not be in here. That'd be a funny prank if I recorded another video without audio. Just lost time for sure. That's what I would put as the description. So that's fine. Yeah, I want to see any of the good Minecraft people play with 10 FPS.